Hey, good evening, y'all. Welcome back to the studio. I'm Lane Zulke, and this is Master Engraver TV, and it is another late night here in the shop. Everybody's gone home for the evening, and there's nobody left here but me and old Bill, and he doesn't say much, so that means it's pretty quiet around here. And that gives me a chance to get some work done on these mint julep cups that I've had sitting on the back burner. Last week, y'all saw me do the transfer on these cups for all the lettering, and tonight we're going to start cutting those. Now, quite a few of you have asked for some time-lapse video, and this is a perfect candidate because each cup takes about 8 hours to cut, and I'm sure you don't want to see that in real time. So let's get you over here to the microscope with me and see what I'm looking at, and if it goes well, maybe we'll shoot some more of these. So let's get to work. Well, that was a whirlwind of cutting. I hope you enjoyed it. We're kind of evenly split amongst folks who want to see time-lapse videos and those that want to see some real-time videos. So we're going to shoot some of each. Now, these really aren't educational videos so much as they are just giving you a chance to see what goes into engraving on a large project like this. Now, we've also got my Firearm Engravers Guild of America 1911 project coming up, and that's going to be about 100 hours of engraving that we'll condense down into maybe 30 minutes or so for y'all to watch. If you want to see more of my work, you can go to www.southerncustomenGraving.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Lane Zulke. And until the next time I see you, keep your gravers sharp, have fun at the bench, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here in the studio.